pretty much what I did was I found the center of the board. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, but yeah, I found the center of the board, and then I count 3 going down and 3 going up, 3 going across, 3, another 3 going across, and then I join all those knots together, which form the triangle. And then I did the same 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be my next point. So I'm not going to put any buttons in the center of this one, nor the center of this one. I'm only going to put buttons right here, right here, right here, right here, to form the triangle. I hope that makes sense, but that's how I did it. So I'm going to continue going forward. Then we'll see. This is kind of, the audio probably sucks because I'm not using my microphone. I'm just doing like a vlog like video. This is no way. This is my first time doing it, so I'm trying to figure it out as I go. If the finished result is very pleasing to me, then I have extra fabric that I might make a what's it called? I don't remember, but I might make a bench sort of situation. That time I can probably explain it way better than now. So for right now, wherever I feel like I get and I can explain, then I'll stop and explain. If not, you guys just gonna watch me just do it. So it's just like watch me with my headboard, not like, oh, I'm teaching you how to make a headboard. That's if I don't get it, because I'm trying to figure it as I go. I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of this, and then I'll come back. So now I have all the marks that I'm gonna put the the buttons. So now I'm gonna lay out my foam and spray the adhesive to it and then do the mark on the foam. So let's go. I know I haven't shown you guys the fully, everything that I've done. As I said, this is just going to be a video of all the DIYs that I've done in my apartment. I'm not going to show full videos, like everything from scratch or completely. I'm just showing you that bits and pieces of all the DIY that I've done to show that I actually did them myself. So I showed you the process of doing this. Now I reached to the final part. Well, not the final part, like tucking, and then I'm gonna add the plywood, not the plywood, the 2x4s to keep it sturdy and stuff. So I'm just showing you another process of me doing the tucking, using the buttons and stuff. So I have this is I think it's, let me tell you exactly, this is how many inches of foam this is. So this is 4.5 inches of foam. I mean, I had to layer to get that size because I didn't want to buy the expensive foam. Anyway, I'm using a wax thread that I got from, I think I got this from Michael's or Joann's. I think it's Michael's. and I'm gonna use 1 foot. So I'm gonna cut 1 foot from this, right? And then I go in with my upholstery needle. Where is it? I have 3, but I use a small one. Okay, where if I can find it, that'll be nice. So I'm gonna use my upholstery needle. I use a small one, and I'm gonna thread it. So I thread, and I leave more section at the back, and I bring it up. So I put it like halfway through, half and half, double right here, and then leave it single. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the hole. I already marked, like I made deep holes into the foam, and then I use the pegboard, so there's already a hole in the pegboard. So I'm gonna go under and find the hole. Okay, I need to bring this, give me a second. Yes, so I'm gonna find the hole from the pegboard that I already marked. I show you guys that I already drew like mark sections on the pegboard to know exactly where my button should go. So I'm gonna find the section under the pegboard. I'm gonna use my fingers to guide me while, and I'm looking to know to ensure that it's going into the right direction, like this, because everything's supposed to line together like this. Everything should line like this, everything should line together going this way, and everything should line together going down. So I have to be careful of my measurements while I'm doing it. So as you can see, all my measurements are like 6 inches away, and then going apart they're like 8 inches away. Going apart it should be 8 inches away. So 8 inches, 8 inches, 6, 6, 6, 6, right? So as I said, I'm gonna find sure it's in the right direction. Feel for the needle. This is dangerous, but feel for the needle. So the needle is up to the hole, right? Then I'm gonna get my buttons. I covered this myself. I'm gonna show you guys how I cover the button with the same fabric. Anyway, I'm gonna thread, put the buttons through the hole. Oh shit. Then I'm gonna poke back the needle downwards to the pegboard. So I feel. And then I'm gonna pull back the pegboard. Try to find the hole. So I'm finding back the hole to the pegboard. Then I'm gonna bring it through. Then I'm going in with a button. It's a regular button, and I'm gonna place them right here. Place them to the hole, both end of the thread through each hole. And now I'm gonna pull. So I'm gonna pull as tight as I can. And then I'm gonna make one knot and pull again and pull as tight and pull as tight, and then I'm gonna make another knot. So I use my button as my stopper, I should say. So that's how I do it. As you can see, the direction, you know, all the marks. So this is where I know I should mark. I should do the holes and stuff. So yeah, and that's it. And I'm not folding them. You know, normally some people would fold them to ensure that the pleats are nice. But honestly, I'm just doing them naturally. Wherever they flow, they flow. Just letting it go however it wants to go. So that's it. Sorry. I'm going to finish up and then I'll show you. Come back and I'll probably just show you the finished result of this. Okay guys, okay, so it's been a couple days and I'm finally finished. So this is how the back looks. Oh, don't mind the mess. But this is how the back looks. It's really a big headboard, it's really long. So I'm gonna show you the finished look, and this is how it looks. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put it up. So I'm gonna do all the finishing touches, like, you know, cut off the extra fabric. I'm gonna put some boards to help to make it more sturdy. That makes sense, but this is it. Yes, it's velvet, so pretty. Okay, so for this clip, I'm just gonna show you how I attach a frame to the headboard because the pegboard is not as sturdy, so I needed a frame. And with this was before I started the headboard. I was trying to figure out how I would do it. So I attached 4 of those wood together, and then I add 2 in the center going lengthwise, and then I drilled the picture frame hanger in the center, and that's how I attach it to the wall. Okay guys, so this is the finish look. It's a little bit wider than my bed. I have a queen size bed, and let me just zoom in. Yeah, you can see a little bit of flaws. I mean, if I do it again, I'm pretty sure I will get it right. As I said, it was my first time doing this, so I'm okay with it. Looking at it, it's very pretty. I attach it to the wall and I use picture hanger. I'm going to insert pictures and show you what I use. So I just drill them in the wall and then I just hang it up. The picture hanger I used could hold up to 300 pounds. So that's what I used to attach this headboard to the wall. So yeah. My room is not finished as yet, so whenever it's finished, I'll show you guys. I still need 2 side tables to go on each side and so on. So I just wanted to show you guys how I made this headboard. Okay,